Today we're going to be making apple monster mouths. Prep time's only 10 minutes. Ingredients, we need 4 apples. You can use red or green. I use 2 for an example here. Some lemon juice, some peanut butter. You can use almond butter or any other type of butter that you want to use. Strawberries, some sunflower seeds, and optional is candy eyeballs or some kind of decorative edible dessert sprinkles. First, you're going to cut the apples to shape the mouths by cutting the apples into fourths, removing the seeded area, and then cutting a wedge out of the center. You're going to dip the apples into lemon juice, and this helps to prevent oxidation or browning of the apples. Next, you're going to fill the apple centers with peanut butter. Next, you're going to cut the strawberries lengthwise into thin wedges and place into peanut butter to form tongues. Next, you're going to take the sunflower seeds and drop into the peanut butter to form the teeth. This is really tedious. It took a while. And then optional, you can take a small dab of peanut butter and dab onto the apples and affix the eyeballs over the peanut butter. I found it easier to actually put the peanut butter on the back of the eyes and then dab them onto the apple. It was a lot less messy. Enjoy!